Hey guys, I'm once again looking at a pretty nice site over here. So I just stopped for the day. I'm going to be parked here for the night. I'm going that way in the morning somewhere. I'll pull it up on my map so you guys look at that, because that's probably more interesting than what I'm doing on the quadcom right this second. Alright, so there we go. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm going. I have to be there tomorrow, so I'm holding up here. So, not a bad view for the night. I decided to park 5 miles from where I need to be at. Just makes it easier to get there tomorrow. So yeah. So, got out of the vacuum that is California right now. There's no freight over there. I had a load that was going back to California, but like my shirt and probably the title of this YouTube video, nope, not today. So I ended up turning down that load after I got back to Phoenix, Arizona. Went down, talked to the planners. The planners were like, you know, they're really cool, and so they gave the load to somebody else, and I took a chance, and I was able to get this load coming over here to Pruitt, New Mexico. I'm going to be picking up a load here tomorrow, right at the same place after I drop this off, and I'm going back to Phoenix, Arizona. And it looks like I'm going to be getting a brand new truck. Do I really want to change out of my 2016? No, not really, but I was talking to my driver leader. He wants me to change trucks possibly, because he's saying my truck, you know, is getting up there in miles, and if I start training, you know, he just doesn't want me to, you know, be sitting for a breakdown or something, even though I really don't think I would have a problem with that, or don't think I'll be running into a breakdown, but that's not for me to pick. So I've been kind of like mulling it over in my head. Do I want the KW or do I want the Freightliner? And in all honesty, I think I'm going to go with the Freightliner. It doesn't have as much cabinet space, but I can put in my mini fridge in it, which also has a freezer. And having, you know, a real fridge and freezer would be really awesome, okay? It just would be. If I do keep this truck, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put, you know, my student luggage and stuff. Probably give them that cabinet behind the passenger seat, and maybe one of the side boxes or something. I don't know. The 2018 probably be, if it's the Freightliner, probably like one of the top cabinets in the side box. I have no idea actually. Anyway, so not really much of an update, but you got to see some B-roll that's not really a B-roll, because I just had it part of this video clip. Can't think of anything else. Oh, hey, all my new subscribers, thank you for subbing. And thanks for all the great comments. And there's a train. One literally had just passed just before I started this video because I didn't want the train noises. But as karma goes, there's always another one coming. Huh. Anyway, I am hoping that it's not going to be trains coming through here all night, because they're not exactly quiet, but you know what? I'll sleep still. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 1,000 before the 20th of this month, which is probably not going to happen. But hey, you never know. Thank you. See you on the next one.